Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to hide hotspot network on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, the purpose of hiding a hotspot SSID or service set identifier is to make the Wi-Fi network less visible and potentially more secure by preventing casual users from easily discovering and connecting to it. And then it makes the network less of low-hanging fruit for potential attackers. And how to hide your hotspot is very easy, so yeah, now let's do the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to portable hotspot. And then after that, now you can click set up portable hotspot, and then now you can hide the SSID of the hotspot. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys, bye.